Last May 2023, I visited Korean Cultural Center in Taguig City. This is my first time to visit the Korean Cultural Center and I'm very excited to see what's inside. So come on, let's go! So once you enter the center, you will see a big screen showing some Korean contents. Next is the reception area. So here in ground floor, this is where the cultural experience area is located. In this area, we can see a lot of artworks that represents our Korean culture. In this area, we can try to wear a handbook digitally. When I tried this, literally I was lost. I don't know how to operate it. But all you have to do is to stand behind the standby point and then voila. I can try now to wear handbook digitally. After you choose your desired handbook, you can scan the QR code and then you can save the file. Also, in the ground floor area, you can try the digital Hangul experience. Here there are three options. First, you can try writing your name in Hangul and take a picture with your name on it in Hangul. You can also print your picture. The second option is to choose food or places in Korea and also take a picture together with the image you selected. The third option is they show Korean drama clips where you can watch them. On the mezzanine building, you can find the library where you can find Korean books, magazines, and even manhwa. Though I haven't toured the whole building, it was definitely a memorable and beautiful experience. So if you want to experience Korean culture, visit Korean Cultural Center.